Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text box border thicker in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make text box border thicker. Firstly, insert a text box, go to the home menu, then click the draw text box option, then drag on our mouse to draw a text box. You can write anything. Now I write the title, then click the text box, then go to the shape outline, shape format menu, then choose the shape outline. Now I select any color. Now I select the orange color, then again go back the shape outline, then choose the white, then select any white to border thickness. Now we can see we make the text box border thicker very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.